What is your worth? Negotiating your salary and benefits isn't just about asking for a raise or more money. It's about knowing your worth and building a life and career that work for you. Whether you're starting a new job or thinking about asking for more at your current one, this video will walk you through exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to say it with confidence. Section 1. Starting salary conversations. When you're offered a new position, it's easy to want to say yes right away, especially if you're excited or relieved to have the offer. But here's the thing. Most employers expect some negotiation. If you accept the first number without a question, you might be missing out on higher pay from day one. Here is an example of that conversation. Sample conversation. Hiring manager. We're offering you the role at $65,000 a year. You. Thanks so much. I'm really excited about the opportunity. Based on my experience and what I've seen in the market, I was hoping for something closer to $72,000. Is there any room to move in that direction? Key tips. Do your research using salary tools like Glassdoor or PayScale. Speak with confidence and pause after making your request. Avoid emotional language. Stay factual and respectful. Section 2. Benefits that are negotiable. It's not all about salary. Some of the most valuable parts of a job offer are hidden in the benefits. And yes, many of them can be negotiated. Here are a few benefits most people don't realize they can ask about. 1. Childcare support. You might say, one thing I'd love to ask about is whether the company offers any kind of childcare assistance, whether that's a subsidy, flexible hours for school drop-offs, or backup care options. 2. Commuter perks. You might say, I noticed the office is in a busy area. Do you offer any kind of reimbursement or pre-tax transit program for commuting expenses? 3. Work from home flexibility. You might say, I've found that I do my best work with a hybrid schedule. Is there any flexibility around working remotely part of the week? 4. Professional development. You might say, I really value learning. Is there a professional development budget available for courses, workshops, or certifications? 5. Wellness or mental health stipends. You might say, do you offer any wellness benefits or stipends for things like fitness memberships or mental health apps? The takeaway. Ask questions, don't make demands. Most benefits won't be listed on the job posting. You have to ask to find out what's possible. Section 3. Health insurance questions. Health coverage is a huge part of your compensation, and it varies a lot between companies. Don't just ask if they offer it. Ask for the details. What to ask? What percentage of the premium does the company cover? What are the deductibles and out-of-pocket limits? Are dependents covered? Is there an HSA with contributions from the company? An example of this conversation. You. Could you walk me through the health benefits package, including how much of the premium is covered and what typical costs look like for employees and families? You. If comparing offers. I'm also looking at another offer that includes an HSA match and wellness credits. Do you offer anything similar? Section 4. Paid time off and vacation. Time off is just as important as pay. Many employers are open to giving more vacation time, especially if you have experience. An example of this conversation. You. I saw that the offer includes 10 days of paid vacation. Would there be any flexibility to increase that? In my previous role I had 3 weeks, and I found that time off helps me stay creative and focused. Tips. Ask how sick time and mental health days are handled. Ask if unused vacation rolls over or gets paid out. Be honest if you're used to more PTO. Experience matters. Section 5. How to set yourself up for a raise. Asking for a raise gets easier when you have a solid case. That starts with tracking your work, and not just the big wins. Tips on what to track. Projects you led or contributed to. Metrics you improved, like revenue, efficiency, or customer satisfaction. Extra tasks you took on. Training others or improving systems. Create a brag file or impact log. Update it weekly. Here's an example of a raise conversation. You. Over the past year, I've helped the team close 2 major clients, created a new system that cut onboarding time in half, and trained 3 new hires. I'd like to talk about adjusting my salary to reflect the impact I've had. Manager. Okay, what do you have in mind? You. Based on my performance and market rates, I think a 7 to 10% increase would be appropriate. Tips. Time your request after a big win, not during a crisis. Be specific about your contributions. Know your value and the going rate in your industry. Section 6. Timing and prep for negotiations. Timing and preparation make all the difference. You don't have to wait for your annual review to start this conversation. Best times to negotiate. After receiving a job offer. When your role has grown beyond your original duties. After a big accomplishment. During your performance review. How to prepare. Know the typical pay for your role in your area. Practice your pitch out loud. Write down what you've accomplished. Know your bottom line, and be ready to walk away if necessary. Section 7. Words and phrases that help. Language matters. You want to come across as collaborative, not combative. Phrases to use. Is there any flexibility around this part of the offer? Based on what I bring to the team, I was hoping for something closer to. I'd love to find something that works for both of us. Would you be open to discussing benefit as part of the package? You don't have to be pushy to get what you need. The key is to be prepared, clear, and respectful. Most companies won't pull an offer because you asked a good question. In fact, it shows professionalism and self-awareness. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's about to start a new job or ask for a raise. Drop a comment below with your questions, or share your own negotiation win. Thanks for watching.